Viewers, welcome to Sharky AutoCAD tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to draw a line using AutoCAD 2020. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. For instance, we want to draw a line with a distance of 200 millimeters. We have 5 methods of drawing. The first one is what we call interactive method. The second one is direct distance entry. The third one is absolute. The fourth one is relative. And lastly, polar. Today, our focus will be on the interactive and the direct distance entry. The interactive and the direct distance entry is whereby you use the mouse to draw. With our AutoCAD launched, you click on Draw and you select Line. And at the command prompt, it will ask you line specify first point. And because we are using interactive or direct distance entry, your first point will be just click a point and then you drag. And then you type the required dimension, that is 200, and you press enter, and then you press escape. In order to see the end point of the line, we have this important command which is called zoom and zoom extend. So you right click and you select zoom, right click again and select zoom extend, and then you drag so that you see the end point of the line. Next, we want to check if truly this line is 200 millimeters as you see on the board. So you click on dimension and you select dimension star. The dimension star manager will pop up, and then you click on modify, and the symbols and arrows, you click on it, and then by default the arrow size is 0.1800. It means this is in inches, but we want to draw it in metric, that is millimeters. So you change your arrow size to 10. And then you click on text. Then you change the text height to also 10. Next, you click on primary unit and you select precision. In our drawing, you see that we have 200 millimeters, and this is to the nearest whole number. So you select 0 and you click OK, and then you close. Then you click on dimension again and you select linear. Come and click on the first endpoint, drag it to the next endpoint, and then you bring it down. So you see that we have used AutoCAD to draw a line with a distance of 200 millimeters as you see on the board. Thank you for joining me today. In our next video, I will show you how to use absolute method to draw. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.